Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a popular Nigerian street food, Akara. Though easy, but many find it time consuming. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Fry your butter in a deep frying pan. Never fry your butter on extremely high heat. Drop in as much as your pan can take. Please give this video a thumbs up. Turn it when it starts browning. Your akara is ready to take off when you see an even golden color. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Please do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye.